In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zoho support in just a few minutes. Whether you're running into technical issues or have a question about their services, reaching out to Zoho support is easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho CRM account. Head over to the official Zoho CRM website and enter your credentials. This step is crucial as you'll need access to your account to proceed with contacting support. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your CRM dashboard. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner where your profile icon is located. Click on your profile. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options tailored for account-specific actions. Look through these options, and what you're looking for is the Talk with Us option. Click on it, and Zoho will present you with a list of their support phone numbers. These numbers are tailored to your specific region, ensuring that you're connected to the right support center. It's always recommended to double check the time zone information that may be listed next to each number, as support hours can vary depending on your location. Once you see the list of numbers, select one that fits your needs and go ahead and make a call to speak directly with a support representative. Alternatively, if you prefer written communication, there's another great option for you. Go back to your profile menu and this time select Write to Us. This is ideal if you require a less immediate response or want to keep a written record of your inquiry. Upon selecting this option, a new window will open where you can compose your message. Start by entering a concise subject line for your query. This helps in organizing and directing your request to the appropriate support team. It's important to include keywords related to your issue for quicker assistance. Then there's a space provided for you to go into further detail. Here, you'll provide a clear description of the problem or question you have. Being thorough and clear can greatly accelerate the resolution process. Include any pertinent details such as error messages or recent changes to your account settings. Finally, after ensuring all the necessary information is filled out accurately, click the Submit button to send your query to Zoho support. That wraps up our guide on how to contact Zoho support. Now you're equipped with the know-how to reach out to them effectively, whether it's through a phone call or a written message. Thank you for watching, and good luck with resolving your inquiries swiftly with Zoho support.